Hi, along with my partner Chaz Shively, we founded Prosper Wellness based in Steamboat Springs, Colorado, ground zero for the cannabidiol, CBD, revolution. Here's what our pain freeze cream can do for you: 150 milligrams of high-quality CBD in every jar, plus 5 additional pain-soothing natural ingredients, provide soothing relief in seconds for joint and muscle pain. When you need pain relief, you need it now. Our pain freeze cream starts working immediately to relieve your pain. CBD is all the rage these days. Now you can experience this incredible ingredient, full-spectrum CBD for instant pain relief, that has our clients raving. We know exactly where our hemp comes from. Family Colorado farmers using only natural farming techniques. Our extraction lab is FDA and GMP approved, producing CBD with one of the highest bioavailability scores on the market. Can your hemp and CBD provider say that? Plus, our 100% risk-free guarantee, and always free shipping and handling. Click the link below in the description for full product details.